easy was it to do the GKTECH bolt-on angle kit, like the $300 option. It was honestly pretty easy. It was just like kind of close to like a similar OEM design, but to get honestly max angle on this, let me turn on the flashlight. To get max angle on this, we did put a spacer, and then we ended up adjusting the acronym all the way. Camera moves to the right, but you only adjust the acronym if you like kind of already got the hang of like how stock angle would work, you know. And if you know the car well, adjust the acronym. Or like let's just say you do runs and you just want to get more like I don't know how to explain, like more sideways, you would adjust that. And then on top of that, the GKTECH angle kit came with spacers that they really like kind of didn't really mention how to install. Well, not in our box. So the longest spacer would go on the passenger side and the shorter one would be on the driver's side. And then obviously go and try to get a line, like let them know you want this much camber. And we kind of wanted to go kind of more OEM, so it could be kind of flush, if you guys can tell. Kind of like it's looking kind of flush to the fender with the spacer. And then on top of that, you do want to cut there's stoppers. Where are they? That right there. We have like probably like a 1/4 inch. Like if you only leave a 1/4 inch left out, you do want to add the spacer because for us it started eating it. As you guys see, it started eating our outer tie rod, or the GKTECH angle kit right here. But it didn't get that bad. We caught onto it, so that's why we added the spacer. And then after that, you really do get sideways. There's a couple clips of it just without no adjustment to acronym, no spacer, and no alignment. It was just eyeballed, and we took it out like that. And it got pretty sideways. We did notice a large amount of angle difference. And then after that, you know, obviously we got some nice little meats here to slide around. But besides that, honestly, it is really recommended. Like a lot of people don't really talk about it. Like it kind of took me like a little bit to like kind of find out ways to get more angle, because we couldn't get enough. We honestly couldn't get enough. So we saw spacers and all this stuff and acronyms, started learning about it. And then the tie rod, and then it also comes with 2 options of tie rods. We got the longer. We ended up installing the longer version of the tie rods, and instead of the short one, I think the short ones are 15 millimeter, if I'm correct, or something like that. But they send you 2 options. But we went with the longer ones, and you know, everything came out fine. Feels real good. We got a ton of angle, and here's the clip of it sliding for the first time.